Perhaps no other car represents Mercedes-Benz power like the V-Class. The V-Class maintains Mercedes' upmarket image despite its van-based people carrier status. Although seating comfort is a matter of taste, the Merc's VIP premium seats are extremely luxurious. A global pop star with a flair for pickiness would note the stiff seam on the lower back portion, but otherwise we'd be happy being chauffeured between gigs in this most luxury V-Class. The V's utilitarian roots emerge when you look away from the seats. The rear passengers' climate control buttons are on the roof between the front seats, making them unreachable. Because the rear seats are further inboard than the front seats, the fold-out table on the back of the front seats is awry. The footstool and seat rails are manually adjustable, which is surprising as most other adjustments are automated. We enjoyed holding on to the champagne glass magnets on the armrests while slamming the Mercedes into corners to maximize G-force. Mercedes multi-beam adaptable LED headlights are standard on the facelift V-Class, which has a redesigned grille and bumper. The V-Class, on sale for almost a decade, gets a new dual-screen infotainment system. The A-Class has two 12.3-inch monitors and a mouse pad, which functioned well atop a revamped center console. Unfortunately, touch-sensitive steering wheel buttons have replaced physical ones. The exclusive gets a Burmester sound system, a driving assistance package with active emergency stop assist, speed limit, and steering aid, and active distance assist and blind spot assist as standard. Wireless smartphone charging, a 360-degree camera, and an electric split-opening boot lid are also beneficial. We drove the long V-Class, but the extra-long model adds 230 mm and comes with a panoramic sliding sunroof. Economy-wise, the 300D and its diesel sister are similar. Although power won't be a priority for any company expanding their luxury people movers fleet, the 300D's greater power is appealing. The Mercedes V-Class will soon offer a mild hybrid petrol. We briefly drove a prototype vehicle without most of the creature comforts of our exclusive trimmed diesel. The petrol engine was smoother and quieter, which fit Mercedes' premium image with this upgraded MPV.